Good afternoon, WestCon. I am student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime with the forecast update for the first Thursday in April. I wish I had better news for today. We have overcast skies, actually some light showers at the current time, but it only gets heavier and steadier throughout the next couple of hours, and I'm going to explain why in just a second. So I put just a downright nasty Thursday afternoon, and this lasts right through the evening commute, unfortunately, which looks to be the worst of the weather over the next several days. A cool but mainly dry weekend, and how about not spring, but summer-like warm coming in for early next week. I'm going to show you that later on in my forecast. The satellite, we have two storms actually, one to the north and one to our south. They're going to kind of converge and move just like this near Connecticut, and that's going to bring a warm front through. You can see these clouds coming off the ocean, and associated with those clouds, we have some rain. But the rain that you see back to the west looks pretty scary, right? This is actually going to move to our north. What we have to watch for the evening hours is actually a band of rain coming off the ocean, which you can't really see since the radar does not go that far out. But that's going to be the best chance we're going to see our heaviest rain and maybe some thunderstorms as well. Also at thunderstorms, there's actually severe weather not too far behind us. Right here, you can tell this orange and pink, this orange and yellow and orange coloring, I should say, that's the enhancement of severe weather just to our south and west due to where the storm is. Luckily, we do not get into the best instability for that severe weather. But when I shared the radar around 6 p.m. tonight, the future radar, I should say, it could indicate maybe some stronger thunderstorms. I don't think any severe weather is likely, but cannot rule out a strong wind gust as well as some small hail with any thunderstorms that come off. They're going to be forming off the ocean and moving just like this into Connecticut right around the evening commute time. And this is actually a warm front, like I mentioned earlier, so temperatures will actually spike after 8 or 9 p.m., probably to near 50 degrees before they drop back off around 2 a.m. back into the low 40s as well. Tomorrow's forecast, not the best of days, but definitely improvement from today. A passing shower to maybe even a snow shower to our north cannot be ruled out as the storm kind of retrogrades to our north and moves eventually out of the area by Saturday and Sunday. Maybe talking about 60s, and how about maybe 70s by early next week. Here's one of the forecast models for Tuesday afternoon. Low to mid 70s across most of Connecticut. Some indications are that these may be lower than actually we may see, maybe closer to 80 degrees if the setup becomes more favorable with a west wind rather than a southwest wind, which would be absolutely amazing for this time of year as well. Tonight's forecast, a low around 41 degrees. That happens around 2 a.m. though, so near 50 degrees throughout most of the evening hours. Again, that early strong storm possible, clearing out after midnight tonight. And then tomorrow's forecast, 51 degrees. So on the cooler side for this time of year, it should be in the mid to upper 50s, a spot shower, and also a breezy wind to 20 miles per hour. And this extended forecast does not get better than this, folks. We improve every day. More sun on Saturday, mainly sunny on Sunday with 60s, and how about 70s by early next week, maybe mid to upper 70s even by Tuesday. Cannot rule out a spot rain shower in the evening hours with the cold front that likely bumps our temperatures a little bit cooler for later on in the week for next week. You can always follow Paul Tastro's forecast at 7 p.m. for Monday afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime. Have a great rest of your day.